because I am very late today. I am late because due to some technical errors, my laptop was not working properly. So, without wasting any time, let us discuss today's newspaper. Today, I shall discuss the important articles from the UPSC point of view. Okay, the first articles, which is important, is third party help noted to broke Manipur peace. This one is important. Here, an article is also given how to the Israel-Gaza ceasefire to begin today officials. Now, since the topic is in trending and is a very hot topic today, not today, from last so many years, but due to ceasefire regions, now it is now this topic has become super hot. So you have to read articles from the Hindu, and there will be a lot of articles from the Israel-Gaza ceasefire. Okay, in the upcoming days. So you have to read just 2 or 3 good articles, not every articles. Okay, as I have already told you that these pages of the newspapers are not very important. Okay, but does despair settle on Maharashtra's Chinchavali villages curing continues unabated? This one is important. It will give you an overview about the air pollution and how the mining and curing is affecting the surrounding areas and what is impact on our health, what is PM 2.5, what is PM 10, and maybe you will know that what are the limits of PM 2.5 or PM 10. If it is not provided in this article, then you have to search onto the Google because UPSC has asked the questions directly from the PM 2.5 and PM 10 that what is the limit of the PM 2.5 and PM 10. Okay, these are the mainly interviews and not so much important because time is very precious and the exam is very near. As you know, almost 4 months are remaining for the prelims. Okay, survey adds 24 new species to Munnar's faunal stock. This one is important because new species have been added. So UPSC has asked the direct questions. Okay, doctors transport brain dead men 13 minutes. This one is also important. Before 2 or 3 days, there was also news that the Elon Musk's company Neuralink has also transplanted the brain. It was the third person who has transplanted the brain. Okay, here the doctors transport, not transplant. I'm sorry, I have not read it properly. So, however, this one is important. Cancer of terrorism means consuming body politic of Pakistan. This one is important. We have to go through it. Okay, okay. This one is important. In a first, doctors use tele-robotic system to do 2 heart surgery over a distance of 286 km. This one is important. UPSC ask the questions directly from here. Okay, moving to another pages. Okay, the science section. Generally, the science section will be published on the last page, but on Sunday it will be published in middle of the newspaper. And at the last page, another topic which is only weekly published will be given. So that's not important. Important is here that you have to read science section. Almost each and every article published onto the science. As you know that the first topic here is RNA not DNA is the main cause of acute sunburn. So UPSC has asked the direct questions from here. You have to go through it. UPSC has asked the question from RNA and DNA. And I will suggest you to do one thing, that UPSC repeats the themes. It does not repeat the questions like RNA, DNA, and sanctuaries, national parks. So, what you have to do? You have to prepare those areas and prepare those themes holistically, so that UPSC, if UPSC is asking the question from that theme, then you are easy to crack the nut easily. You are able to crack the nut. Now, COVID-19 vaccine failed to alter neuro symptoms of long COVID. Important. As you know that UPSC has the questions from the vaccines. Okay. Development delays in children exposed to Zika in utero. This one is also important. And here you can also see these small articles like how red meat consumption is increasing the risk of dementia, asteroid impact, and another. Well, okay, this one is important. You can read this one. You can make the notes of this uh, article, because it can be asked into the interview as well. One of my friend is appearing for the important. One of my friend this year is appearing for the interview, and is preparing these topics, because they are asking on these hot topics direct questions from these topics. So you have to prepare. This one is important. Can Bhopal best to be safely disposed of? If time allows, then also read this. If time does not allow, then do not read it. So I am requesting you to all that do not waste more time here, because current affair is a subject which is very unpredictable, that which type of questions will be there into the prelims. But as a whole, like from the mains point of view and from the interview point of view, you have to read the newspaper. So for prelims especially, you have to, first of all, you have to prepare the basics and the fundamentals of the UPSC. What does the fundamentals include? It include like your standard books, NCRTs, and previous year questions of the UPSC. And if time allows, then go with other test series. This is my experience, and I did very big mistake, so I could not qualify the film this year. However, I missed by just 2 or 3 marks. I am supposing it, since UPSC has not published the official answer key and the official cutoff. I was scoring 85 marks. Okay, moving to another page. So news in frames. As I have told you earlier that on Sunday there will be a weekly published article. News in the okay. So news in frames. It has topic of Jallikattu, and UPSC has asked the questions from Jallikattu directly in PYQ and the prelims as well as in mains. So you have to go through with it. Okay, Jallikattu, just a very small article and giving you very good knowledge. So thank you. If you like it, please subscribe it. Thank you. Best of luck.